Can Samsung Smart TV connect to Google Home? Yes, Samsung Smart TVs can connect to Google Home, allowing users to control their TV with voice commands through Google Assistant. Samsung TVs running Tizen OS 2018 and later support Google Home integration via Samsung SmartThings, while newer models with Google TV have built-in Google Assistant support. By linking the TV to Google Home, users can turn the TV on-off, adjust the volume, change channels, and control playback using voice commands. 1. Checking if a Samsung Smart TV supports Google Home. To determine if a Samsung Smart TV is compatible, 2018 and newer Samsung Smart TVs support Google Home through the SmartThings app. Samsung Google TV models. Recent versions have built-in Google Assistant support. If the TV does not support Google Home directly, an external device like a Chromecast or Google Nest Hub can enable voice control. 2. How to connect a Samsung Smart TV to Google Home. Step 1. Install the Samsung SmartThings app on a smartphone and sign in with a Samsung account. Step 2. Ensure the TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as Google Home. Step 3. In the SmartThings app, add the TV as a device by going to Devices, then add Device, then TV, then Samsung. Step 4. Install and open the Google Home app, then tap, plus add, then set up device, then works with Google. Step 5. Select SmartThings from the list, sign in with the Samsung account, and allow access to Google Home. Step 6. The TV will now appear in Google Home, allowing voice commands through Google Assistant. 3. What Google Home can control on a Samsung Smart TV. Once connected, Google Home allows voice commands such as, "Hey Google, turn on the TV." "Hey Google, set volume to 50%. "Hey Google, change the channel to ESPN." "Hey Google, pause the video." "Hey Google, open YouTube on the TV." 4. Troubleshooting Google Home connection issues. If Google Home is not controlling the TV properly, ensure the TV, SmartThings app, and Google Home are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart the TV, Google Home device, and router to refresh the connection. Remove and re-add the TV in the SmartThings and Google Home apps. Update the TV firmware by going to Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Samsung Smart TVs can connect to Google Home using Samsung SmartThings, enabling hands-free voice control. While newer Samsung TVs with Google TV have built-in Google Assistant, older models require SmartThings integration for full functionality.